Adobe Firefly just got a new upgrade. Image 5 now accepts natural language editing. You can literally say, remove her jacket, or add a dog in the background, and it just does it. And the best part, you can try Firefly 5, Nano Banana, and Flux Context Pro free on firefly.adobe.com until December 1st. Let's see which model actually gives us the results we're looking for. I'll start out with the same portrait and use the same prompts for each model. Start off at firefly.adobe.com. To get to image editing, go to Create and then select Edit an Image. Let's start off with removing the sunglasses from the model. Firefly 5 has a natural look and follows the direction of her gaze. Flux has a more direct approach, but a strong gaze, while Nano has a dreamlike quality to her face. Next, we're going to change her hair to pink. Firefly 5 makes it soft and realistic. Flux has a strong color, but it looks like a wig, while Nano has a modern, soft look. Removing the jacket, Firefly 5 creates a woman's t-shirt. Flux makes it into a sleeveless shirt, and Nano makes it more of a man's t-shirt. Now, let's use a piece of art as the image to edit and add it to the front of a woman's t-shirt. We'll describe the scene and where we want the art. For instance, this young woman is wearing a t-shirt with this artwork on it. Firefly 5 rendered the scene but ignored the art prompt. Flux was again direct and made the artwork on the t-shirt the main subject of the image, while Nano created an entire scene and incorporated the subject, more cinematic than product focused. Next, I'll change the scene with a prompt that changes it to a grassy hill with views of the sky. Firefly 5 has a dreamy quality to it, but is missing some level of realism, like she's not really there. Flux is more realistic, with her posture changing slightly and her shadow on the grass. Nano continues to focus on the scene and is hyper-realistic, with grass in front of her feet and moody sunset lighting. Next, we're going to take a step further and add a prompt to add a golden retriever sitting next to her. Firefly 5 has a beautiful dog image with fluffy hair, but it's not next to the woman. Flux goes for realism, but the dog doesn't quite look like it's the right size, making the image look fake. Nano paints a creative storybook look. The dog looks real and seems part of the scene. When you're done, click the Share button in Firefly. You can download or copy your image, open it right in Photoshop on the web or Adobe Express, or choose Image to Video to animate your photo in Firefly Video, perfect for social posts or mockups. So here's the final breakdown. Firefly 5 is the most intuitive for natural-looking edits and subjects. Flux Context Pro remains my pick for product and lifestyle realism, focusing on subject rather than scene. Nano Banana is the creative powerhouse. It tells a story with its cinematic environments. If you're new here, check out my Photoshop 2026 series, linked here at the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.